Burnout recovery is not a return to the old pace. It is the creation of a new rhythm. Many high achievers mistakenly believe that rest is simply a pause between sprints. But real recovery requires a full recalibration of the nervous system. The blueprint is less about adding more strategy and more about removing the invisible weights. Step 1 is recognition. The body must be listened to as the most honest messenger. Fatigue, brain fog, irritability, these are not signs of weakness, but signs of misalignment. Step 2 is rhythm. Healing requires cycles. Work balanced by renewal, activity balanced by stillness, connection balanced by solitude. This is how the nervous system regains coherence. Step 3 is release. The achiever must release the unconscious contracts that say, my worth depends on my output. My safety depends on my success. Without addressing these hidden agreements, every recovery strategy becomes temporary. Step 4 is replenishment. Instead of fueling only through adrenaline, the system learns to draw energy from coherence, heart-brain alignment, conscious breath, and intentional presence. This creates energy that is self-sustaining rather than self-draining. Finally, step 5 is redesign. Life must be structured in a way that aligns with vitality, not just ambition. Clear boundaries, purpose-led projects, pauses embedded into the calendar. When recovery becomes integrated, achievement transforms. It no longer burns the system, it expands it. This blueprint does not strip away ambition, it refines it, so the achievement enhances life instead of consuming it.